Dear children, very good afternoon. Myself L.K. Tripathi from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Let's have a look on new video that is related to your economics chapter first, the story of village Palampur. This village is undoubtedly well equipped from all the facilities like electricity, road connectivity, transport facilities, farming activities also good there. Two nearby markets, that is they sell their goods there, carrying on bullock carts, buggies, trucks, jeeps, tractors they use to carry the goods. That is the village. This is the story of village Palampur. Raiganj and Shahpur, two nearby villages and markets where the farmers go to purchase and sell their goods. सेल ऑफ सरप्लस फार्म प्रोडक्ट्स, जो सरप्लस जो अतिरिक्त जो है फार्म प्रोडक्ट्स हो रहे हैं इनके जो है खेती बाड़ी से, उनको कैसे बेचते हैं, कैसे उसको ले जाते हैं. लेट अस सपोज दैट द फार्मर्स हैव प्रोड्यूस्ड wheat on their land using the three factors of production. The wheat is harvested and production is complete. What do the farmers do with the wheat? wheat के साथ farmers क्या करते हैं? तो no doubt about that, they keep some wheat for their consumption in the family. Rest means surplus amount of wheat they sell in the nearby market. They retain a part of the wheat for the family's consumption and sell the surplus wheat. Small farmers like Savita and Govind's sons have little surplus wheat because their total production is small, and from this a substantial share is kept for their own family's needs. So it is the medium and large farmers who supply wheat to the market. In the picture 1.1, you can see the bullock cart steaming into the market is carrying loads of wheat. The tractors at the market buy the wheat and sell it for the to shopkeepers and the towns and cities. You can observe picture first there. Some farmers are carrying the weights on the bullock carts, and tractors also you can see loading the wheat, carrying the wheat from the traders to the nearby market, they carry to the shopkeepers. Tejpal Singh, the large farmer, has a surplus of 350 quintals of wheat from his लैंड, फ्रॉम हिज लैंड. तेजपाल एक जो है बड़े किसान हैं और वो 350 क्विंटल वीट्स के वो उनके पास सरप्लस है और उसको लेकर के कहाँ जाते हैं? ही सेल्स द सरप्लस वीट एट द रायगंज मार्केट एंड हैज़ गुड अर्निंग. रायगंज मार्केट में ले जाकर बेचते हैं, इससे अच्छा पैसा कमाते हैं. What does Tejpal Singh do with his earnings? अपनी कमाई से वो जो है क्या करते हैं? Last year Tejpal Singh had put most of the money in his bank account. पिछले साल वो अपने पैसे को बैंक अकाउंट में डाल दिए थे. Later he used the savings for lending to farmers like Savita who were in need of a loan. और उसके बाद उस पैसे को जो है फार्मर्स को देने लगे. जैसे सविता है, उसको लोन की ज़रूरत थी, उसको उन्होंने दिया. He also used the savings to arrange for the working capital for farming in the next season. This year Tejpal Singh plans to use his earning to buy another tractor. इस साल वो नए ट्रैक्टर लेने के चक्कर में है. जो भी कमाई उससे होगी उनके खेती से वो लेंगे उससे. Another tractor would increase his fixed capital. और दूसरा ट्रैक्टर इनके फिक्स कैपिटल को इंक्रीज करेगा, इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं. लाइक तेजपाल सिंह, अदर लार्ज एंड मीडियम फार्मर्स सेल द सरप्लस फार्म प्रोडक्ट्स. तेजपाल सिंह और जो बड़े और मीडियम फार्मर्स हैं, ये सरप्लस फार्म प्रोडक्ट्स को भी बेचते हैं. ये पार्ट ऑफ द अर्निंग्स इज सेव्ड एंड केप्ट फॉर बाइंग कैपिटल फॉर द नेक्स्ट सीजन. Thus, they are able to arrange for the capital for farming from their own savings. Some farmers might also use the savings to buy cattle. Trucks or to set up shops. As we shall see, these constitute the capital for non-farm activities. ये जो है नॉन फार्म एक्टिविटीज़ इससे कैपिटल कहते हैं, जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करता है खेती के अलावे. ये लोग कैटिल से, ट्रक से और दुकानों से पैसे कमाते हैं. नॉन फार्म एक्टिविटीज़ इन पालमपुर. क्या है नॉन फार्म एक्टिविटीज़ पालमपुर में? वी हैव लर्न अबाउट फार्मिंग एज द मेन प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटी इन पालमपुर. We shall now take a look at some of the non-farm production activity. Only 25% of the people working in Palampur are engaged in activities other than agriculture. Number one, dairy, the other common activity. Dairy is a common activity in many families of Palampur. People feed their buffalo on various kinds of grass and the jawar and bajra that grows during the rainy season. The milk is sold in Raiganj, the nearby large village. Two traders from Shahpur town have set up collection cum chilling centers at Raiganj, from where the milk is transported to far away towns and cities. Now let's discuss. Let us take three farmers. Each has grown wheat on his field. Though the production is different, see column 2. The consumption of wheat by each farmer family is the same, column 3, that is. The whole of surplus wheat this year is used as capital for next year's production. Also suppose production is twice the capital used in production. Complete the table. Table is given there. You have to fill. This is here. Production फर्स्ट ईयर में कितना प्रोडक्शन होता है? ग्रेन का, व्हीट का 100. कंज्यूम कितना होता है? 40. कंज्यूम होने के बाद बच कितना गया? 60. और नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए कैपिटल तैयार हो गई 60. ईयर 2 120 प्रोडक्शन है, 40 कंजम्पशन है. सरप्लस प्रोडक्शन का कितना हो जाएगा? कैपिटल नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए कितनी तैयार हो जाएगी? इसको फिल कर देंगे, इजी है बहुत. थर्ड ईयर कितना प्रोडक्शन हुआ? 140 हुआ, 40 कंज्यूम हो गया, बचा कितना? और नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए कितना सरप्लस रहा? फार्मर 2 प्रोडक्शन 80 है, कंजम्पशन 40 है, सरप्लस कितना हुआ? कैपिटल फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर कितना हो जाएगा? फिल करिए. ईयर 2 प्रोडक्शन कितना हुआ? कंजम्पशन कितना? इतना हुआ. सरप्लस कितना हुआ? कैपिटल कितनी हुई? ईयर 3 इस तरह से इसको फिल करेंगे, सरप्लस अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन निकालेंगे, उसके बाद कैपिटल कितनी सेव हुई नेक्स्ट ईयर कंजम्पशन के लिए. फार्मर 3 प्रोडक्शन 60 है, स्मॉल फार्मर्स के लिए दिया जा रहा है. कंजम्पशन कितना है? फार्मर 1, फार्मर 2 मीन्स लार्ज फार्मर्स, मीडियम फार्मर्स, स्मॉल फार्मर्स. ईयर प्रोडक्शन इनका कम है, कंजम्पशन 40 है, सेविंग कम होगी, कैपिटल नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए कम होगी, सेकेंड ईयर के लिए कितना हुई, थर्ड ईयर के लिए कितना हुई, easily you have to fill it. Now compare the production of wheat by the three farmers over the years. What happens to farmer 3 in year third? Can he continue production? What will he have to do to continue production? क्या करेगा वो थर्ड नंबर का फार्मर? पहले साल इसका प्रोडक्शन इतना है, कंजम्पशन इसका 40 है, सेविंग कितना होगा 20। नेक्स्ट ईयर वो क्या करेगा, क्या खेती करेगा, प्रोडक्शन कंटिन्यू रखेगा? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन। एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ स्मॉल स्केल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इन पालमपुर। एट प्रेजेंट लेस देन 50 people are engaged in manufacturing in Palampur. Unlike the manufacturing that take place in the big factories in the towns and cities, manufacturing in Palampur involves very simple production methods and are done in a small scale. They are carried out mostly at home or in the fields with the help of family labor. Rarely are laborers hired. And see the next, let's discuss. First of all, let us see the box. Mr. Lal has purchased a mechanical sugar cane crushing machine run on electricity and has set it up to his field. मिस्री लाल एक मैकेनिकल शुगर केन क्रशिंग मशीन को परचेज करते हैं जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से चलती है और अपने खेत में लगाते हैं। शुगर केन क्रशिंग वाज अर्लियर डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ बुलक्स। पहले इससे पहले मशीन लगाने से पहले इसको बुलक से क्रश करते थे। बट पीपल प्रेफर टू डू इट बाई मशीन्स दिस डेज, लेकिन आजकल लोग इसको मशीन से करना प्रेफर करते हैं। मिस्त्री लाल आल्सो बाइज शुगर केन फ्रॉम अदर फार्मर्स एंड प्रोसेसेस इट इनटू जैगरी। द जैगरी इज देन sold to traders at Shahpur. In the process, Mr. Lal makes a small profit. Kareem has opened a computer class center in the village. In recent years, a large number of students have been attending college in Shahpur town. Kareem found that a number of students from the village are also attending computer classes in the town. There were 2 women in the village who had a degree in computer applications. He decided to employ them. He bought computers and set up the classes in the front room of their house. Overlooking the market. High school students have started attending them in good numbers. यहाँ पर ये अपना कंप्यूटर इंस्टीट्यूट लॉन्च करते हैं और उसमें क्लासेस चलाते हैं। हाई स्कूल क्लास के बच्चे यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं और वो इस क्लास को चलाने में हेल्प करते हैं। नाउ द नेक्स्ट, द शॉपकीपर्स ऑफ पालमपुर। पालमपुर के शॉपकीपर्स कौन कौन से हैं? पीपल इन्वॉल्व इन ट्रेड are not many in Palampur. The traders of Palampur are shopkeepers who buy various goods from wholesale markets in the cities and sell them in the village. You will see small general stores in the village selling a wide range of items like rice, wheat, sugar, tea, oil, biscuit, soap, toothpaste, batteries, candles, notebooks, pen, pencil, even some cloth. A few of the families whose houses are close to the bus stand have used a part of the space to open small shops. They sell eatables, Number next, 4, transport, a fast developing sector. This is also important means of development. There are variety of vehicles on the road connecting Palampur to Raiganj. Rickshaw wala, tanga wala, jeep, tractor, truck, drivers and people driving the traditional bullock cart and buggies are people in the transport services. They ferry people and goods from one place to another and in return get paid for it. The number of people involved in transport has grown over the last several years. Here, see the box. Kisora is a farm laborer. Kisora एक farm laborer है. Like other such laborers, Kisora found it difficult to meet his family's need from the wages that he received. A few years back, Kisora took a loan from the bank. कुछ साल बाद किशोरा बैंक से लोन लेता है. This was under a government program which was giving cheap loans to poor landless households. ये एक सरकार का प्रोग्राम था. इसमें गरीब लोगों को, भूमिहीन लोगों को हाउस होल्ड एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए लोन देता था. किशोरा bought a buffalo with this money. किशोरा इस पैसे से एक भैंस लाता है, बफेलो लाता है. He now sells the buffalo's milk. अब ये बफेलो मिल्क को जो है सेल करता है और he earns money for his family's need. In this way, we have watched up to here different types of activities, different types of work done by the people in the village. Next, we shall discuss in the next video. Till then, you have to fulfill your all the work in fair copy as well as in book also. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.